It's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am back here today in my own studio. So excited about it. You guys, I got some super cool things to share. Number one, let me show you these. Aren't these the cutest? So I just packaged these up. These are Amethyst Slice Pendant little necklace kits. And I got a few of them. I'll put pictures in so you guys can see. Super cute. It says Thunderhorse Descendant on the back. So I'm excited. So what I'm going to do is I have some of these kits to put on the website. So I thought I would demonstrate how they work. It's super easy. These are going to be $18.50 on the website. So super cute. We're going to bust one open. We're going to make a really super fast, the fastest necklace that you've ever seen in your whole life. We're going to do that. Let's get down to the mat, get this party started. Alrighty, party people, here we are down on the mat. So here is what we are working with today. This has the genuine amethyst pendant, and then inside it has everything you need to make the little chain, which is super cute. Little packaging. So we're literally going to make the quickest pendant ever in life. So let's get on into it. All we're going to need is a chain nose plier and a flat nose plier. And here we go. So when you get these, they are going to come packaged this way. And we're just going to jump right on into it. So we sourced these as we do a lot of our items from Thunderhorse Descendant. For Thunderhorse Descendant from Taylor's Falls Bead Store. So these were some new ones that came from Tucson. Of course, they are all a little bit different since they are a natural stone. They are a genuine amethyst slice. They have been soldered on the side with the bail. So we're just gonna snip that off there. Oh, FYI, we are in a working studio. Zoom you in a little bit. So if you hear Jakey Toes barking outside, that's the thing he's doing. If you hear people moving around, we are packing and shipping orders because we are in a active bead studio. So again, like I said earlier the other day, this is something that we are doing. All right, so you are going to get, let's see if we can get this to focus here. Come on. Autofocus. These are the little tiny crimps for the chain. So these are a smaller than normal crimp for this specific snake chain. And so it's really simple. All you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to put, there we go, you're going to put your snake chain in there, and you are going to take your chain nose and you're going to want to make sure that the end of your chain is coming through the crimp just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see here. Right there. It's a little bit in there. And you are going to make sure it's up, and you're going to crimp the middle of the tube just by putting pressure. You don't have to Hercules it or anything. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's how it is. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn this whole thing to the side. So when you put pressure on your chain nose, you're putting pressure more so closer to your hand than you are on the tip here. It's just the way that it is. So you want to make sure that you're crimping this way and then this way. And then we're going to flip. And we're going to do the same here. Of course, again, we're not going to press so hard that we're breaking it. But we want to make sure that it is completely flat in there so that the chain cannot move. So here's the pull test. And here's what it's going to look like when it is done. And then all you do is you go ahead and you're going to just thread on your amethyst pendant your super amazing, spectacular amethyst pendant just right on the end there. Whichever way you want it to face. If you want it to go the other way, flip it over. And then we're going to put on the other crimp. Okay? So again, I'm just lining that up and squishing it and turning the whole thing and squishing this side and then flipping it over and doing the exact same here. Also, if you have this black plier, from Thunderhorse Descendant, you're going to really be in a good situation because it's got that thin tip and that fits right into this crevice. We do have some of these available on the website if you're looking for one. I know many of you Thunderhorse Descendants have multiples of these. Alright. So then all we're going to do is we're going to put on the rest of our findings, which come with the kit. Easy peasy. So I'm going to zoom you out just a smidgy. Okay. So it comes with 2 oval jump rings. We're going to put those on. I love a good oval jump ring. Everybody knows I do. And I'm going to put on my lobster claw, which also came with the kit. And close that up. I'm going to go ahead with the other side. Now you do have an option here. You could hook right onto here without having to use a jump ring if you wanted to. Like you could just go like that. But some people like symmetry. So for the symmetry, you've got the extra oval jump ring to use if you want. I personally don't care about the symmetry, so I'm going to leave mine out. But some people like it, so I put it in there just in case you like that kind of thing. I'd hate for you to be going around with just one jump ring. Christ. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when it's done, and we are going to flip over, and I am going to try it on for you so you can see how it looks. But again, while I got you on the mat, all of these little pendants are different. As you can see, they're all a little bit different, and you're going to get the luck of the draw with yours. But I just trust in the universe that that's the one you're supposed to have. So let's flip back to the other camera so you can see what it looks like on. Alright, party peeps, here we are. Here we are. So here's our necklace. Isn't that beautiful? I am a February baby. Amethyst is my birthstone. But even if it's not your birthstone, this is my Mardi Gras necklace I made on morning coffee this morning. So there she is. I should mention that this is a 18-inch snake chain. It's going to be a little more than 18 inches once you get on the lobster. Be like 18 and a half. But yeah, that's what she looks on. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. It goes perfectly with my Mardi Gras necklace. If you didn't see that, I'll link it up here in the cards. We started that this morning on morning coffee, doing the Mardi Gras necklace. We talked a little bit about where all those terms come from, what they mean, the colors, what those mean, la-ti-da, and we started making this necklace. So, I hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing day. Don't forget to join me on Facebook for Facebook Live Making on Tuesday and Friday at 8 o'clock Central Time. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.